Aster at Rosena Ranch offers 4 unique floor plans, featuring approximately 2,277 to 2,690 square feet of living space, 4 bedrooms, and 3 to 3.5 bathrooms. Aster features The Next Gen, The Home Within a Home by Lennar Floor Plan. This unique home has 4 bedrooms along with an attached private suite that includes a private living area, kitchenette, bedroom, bathroom, and even a private entrance while still being connected to the main home. It's the perfect solution for multi-generational living.